10 laps on the oval for the Lakeside Cup for the mini springs tonight. This is the big one for these youngsters, 6 to 10-year-olds, and they're on track now. So, Samaka Wakeland approaching Coventry, number 87, Loosemore going into the lead. Into the lead, number 9 going well at the moment, that's Louis Weaver. Rupert Dawson, got a couple of cars down here, in big trouble. 599 Harvey pushing over, 421 James Copper, another, and 24 Copper Gold was the other one. So, I think the tyres come off of Harvey's car. I don't know, I can't see on the inside. No, it's alright. He's on the second wall keep going. Yeah, I think he's got a problem on there. So Harvey out of the running for this one. What a shame. Such a beautiful little car. But this leader, number 9, Louis Weaver. Number 2, Albert Webster. He's on the move now, his elbow. Number 7, John Mackay going well. He's almost doing the stages he's done in the first league there, almost. Look at how little Harvey is. It goes on to the second green. Very good driver on some of these. I bet he's very upset there. Wow, look at that. Top start, 87. He's making a mistake right there on that big turn. And I think he's in the track. He's shutting off. There's number 9 still leading. Louis Weaver leading. His busy is on the road with number 2. Albert Webster jump trying to strap him down. And I don't know how to run. 4 laps left to go this time round. 4 laps left to go. And,
come on, Albert!
Albert Webster pushing on. There he is. 252. Callum Searle.
Come on, Callum!
In third. 449 Bradley Green behind him. The 8-4. 299 Harvey Birds. 311. The Jack Simmons. Then number 7 Josh Mackay. 842. Dinner. No, not where earlier on. That was 442. That knows to me. 842 Keegan Ivey. He's on the road mixed up. On a mini message there. Number 9, well, I've done enough over here tonight. It's only got 2 laps left to go, but look at that time.
Come on, Albert!
I must say, number 2, Albert Webster, he's done such a good job here tonight, but I've just done really to close that gap over number 9 car. Great battle for third between 252, Callum Searle, 449 earlier. I think we've lost the 87 car up here. Callum Searle third, David Bradley Green, Harvey Birds, and then the rest of the field will give you full confirmation on that result when we do.
Go on, Alfie!
The this year's Lakeside Cup for mini springs will be number 9